are on birthday duty. We're making pancakes, I'm cutting berries, and the gals are outside decorating because it's Sid's birthday. This is our last day, so we're gonna make it special!
Hi guys, welcome! I've never vlogged before, but it's an exciting day to vlog because it's Sid's birthday. Boys, we're going hiking, I believe, and we have decorated this for Sid out. Here you go, with a happy birthday, featuring Rita in the background as well. Oh. Hey! I'll show you the sceneries inside. Because it's hectic. Our pancake station, our coffee station, our cleaning up station, and our omelette station soon to be begun.
Yeah, you're gonna have to start a new one.
And up close from the crepe chefs.
Crepe chefs. Pancakes, girl.
Sorry, pancakes. look how delicious.
Got the wonky one as well.
The wonky one?
They're all a bit wonky and that's okay.
That's the beauty of
We
them.
still love them.
They have to, like, look how gorgeous it looks. It looks so gorgeous. No, okay. She looks gorgeous as well. We have a happy birthday. And look how cute all this looks. See the sun's out again. Look how pretty it is here. This is our view today. Weather is promising. Look at the blue sky. The weather is mega promising.
What's Rita's password?
Cute.
Pancake ladies! Pancake ladies! Yamskins.
Well, I switched from pancakes
Blueberry
to
pancake. Blueberry boss.
making eggs.
Eggs, but. Hello!
What the fuck is going on in here?
Flower crown that is made with love by Paulina. Look at her. It's okay. Making station. I'm moral support and tester of crowns.
You're the model. Look at her struts.
Once again, I'm just trying to sit back and relax and enjoy my lunchtime. And we have to eat everything in the house. This is what we've got going. We're having everything and anything.
So let's go out with a knife.
No,
Right, this bitch.
you're gonna break the knife.
No,
Do you
that-
think as soon as you open the window, it's gonna like zoom back in?
I'm worried.
Okay, so you walk outside and see if a wasp tries to attack you.
Yeah, I'm gonna do some
Come
recon.
back there, come back.
You get that prop meat cleaver, and if he comes in, fucking hit him over covers. Like, smash the fuck out of him.
You see him?
Yeah, you see, come to me.
Why don't I fucking kill him? Why don't I just fucking kill him?
Hey, he's not the problem, it's the rest of the bitch.
You don't get rid of him. He's guarding the shit, you know what I'm saying? Oh fuck. No,
He's hurt.
Stop. Scoreboard, bitch! Yeah! Woo! Tom and Sid won, Wasp nil. Tom and Sid won, Wasp that's nil. It's over.
It came in and he went, prop meat cleaver, bang, spoon.
No, what the fuck is that? There's a leaf. Yeah, kill shit.
What, there were eggs in there?
I think so.
There was something alive in there. Not anymore. It's game over.
It's been a long, hard day of baking. We've put our all into this one. We've overcome many obstacles. First of all, the oven stopped working. We had to move the cakes to a different oven. Then they took triple the amount of time to bake. Then we took them out of the pans and they fell apart. Then when we tried to make the Nutella whipped cream, we didn't have whipped cream and the cream didn't whip after 20 minutes. Then we put Nutella in the middle and then we're going to cover it with a gorgeous chocolate ganache because, you know, that would really top it off because it's a chocolate cake, you know. And I burnt the chocolate. So we had to then use some more chocolate. Oh, I don't want to spoil the surprise. We made the cake and finished it off and we thought something's missing. we don't have any decorations, so we're really working with what we have. So I had this crazy thought because I basically spilt milk on my new skirt that I've never worn, went into my room to see what else I could wear, and realized that at the airport I bought a kilo of Haribo Star Mix. And so that is what we topped the cake off with. So these honestly, these gummy bears are having a nice little swim. But just, this took our all. We gave it everything we had. The cake sank in the middle, but I expected that. Anyways, I'm gonna show you her gloriousness, and like, let us know if you want us to come and bake for any of your events, private gatherings, even big ceremonies, weddings. Anyway, yeah, here she is. Here she is.
Oh my god. Zoom in on the gummy bears that are just floating. They're saying help me.
They sank in the middle of the cake, so we had to fill it with chocolate, clearly, obviously. But it's really, the handiwork is really,
I know.
It's really something to be admired.
Ever like, I want some chocolate cake, but I want extra chocolate on my chocolate cake, you can just go to one of the little divots on the side and just like
one of the
pull up some of that.
Yeah. No,
like, see, this is so beautiful on top.
Yeah. I love how it really stands out. It really shouts hard. This is the treacherous milk that I got all over my brand new silk skirt, so hate her. Fuck you. Anyways, Paulina is currently getting me some rescue remedy because I almost, this cake almost broke me. And my skirt. Well, it did break my skirt. I'm actually wearing it backwards now. So,
but no one would be able to
This is how much we love you, Sid, and this is the things we do for you.
Yeah.
And hit us up for any inquiries.
I wish we still had Oreos, then we could have just like...
I wish we had like
a cake.
Do you want to have a peek at the cake?
It's like the prettiest thing.
It's probably the best cake I've made, actually.
Get it, I guess! Guys, the gummy bears are drowning. It smells really good.
Do you know what it is, though? It is a chocolate cake.
It is. You know how like the memorial they give someone after they die is like however nice it is like a reflection of like the person's accomplishments. This is like perfect for Sid. This is like him in a cake.
We're back at it. You can't.
It's it. It's raining. We are on the mission to get a good photo. We've got everybody. We've got everybody here.
Hello?
We're friends with this girl, isn't that? And then we'll just Here we go. Nice cow.
Quite pretty. This, what the fuck? You look really pretty.
You look like I'm in pain.
Yeah.
When you take a photo, Sam Craig getting this. Sam Craig. Right.
Goddamn.
It's Lucy.
It's just not my fault.
Yum skins. It's candle lit. It's candle lit.
It is a little bit.
Come on, Freddie, keep going.
He's edging us once again.
Yeah. Do you want us to show you? That's crazy.
He's never been happier.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
That was a real one. That's that one.
Yeah, you just slipped one in there.
Like,
that was legitness.
He's been waiting for this moment.
It's like,
I forgot where the wires went earlier.
oh yeah, no.
Oh yeah.
Get
it, girl.
And Craig looks at me and giggles. And Karen talks back as she's walking back into the house. She goes, I heard that.
Crazy, yeah.
Think you're the shit, bitch? You are the fuck.
With a little black strap.
You've had all week to say something. You haven't said it.
No, I thought it.
What's happening?
What's happening? I don't know if I can say it at the dinner table.
I've got your.
What, with your jumper?
It was gonna be a surprise.
Oh,
I thought it was
a jumper?
surprise,
Oh, no,
and then
I can tell
forgot,
that.
and then I was
That's
like, I'll
just-
just surprise them at some point with it.
Good point.
Truce.
Boxes are
The
gone.
boxes.
That was a big deal. Yeah, and now I'm going to put some more boxes in there just for vibes.
Yeah.
Just to ruin it for you. Just
I hate how you
send you
drink
a
water
photo,
sometimes.
I hate it all in
Yeah.
Francis' room.
Oh, hide it. Birthday, dear Sid. Happy birthday to you.
Leaving. Got my pizza. Bye, house. Vlog update. We're on a tram.
Is this the one that's at the airport?
Oh,
Oh, you're on the wrong
the other way.
Come from the
Yeah.
train station.
I don't know what the beeping's about. It's for the plot though. So.